Simona Cochi, The Italian Way, and this video will be tributed to one of the bourgeoisie families here in Italy that has been the symbol of a collection tributed to the elegance in the 19th century. I'm talking about the Fineschi family that realized this outstanding fashion and costume exhibit in one of the historical textile manufacturing company in Prato. And I'm talking about the Textile Museum in Tuscany, that is one of the most important outposts in Europe where you can experience and research among the different techniques of producing during the last centuries of producing fabrics and textiles. So the Textile Museum is hosting during these days this fantastic exhibition, and there is one woman behind this project, and exactly the name is Ada Tirinnanzi Fineschi, that she is the heritage holder of Fineschi family. And this lady collected clothes and objects, accessories, and many other items from the early 20th century till nowadays. So she recreated. I remind you that Fineschi family in Tuscany is one of the most renewed textile and entrepreneurial family, and so that this lady during his career collected and ensembled all the historical pieces of outfits from the family, and so nowadays she gave as a gift the collection that is much more a personal collection rather than studied collection, because all these precious pieces belonged to the family members. So you have time till the 29th of May 2022 to visit Prato in Tuscany, close to Firenze, and to dive inside the storytelling of this family. Let's discover together just a quick frame of the exhibition. So this is inside the museum, and these are a few of the pieces because there are more than 100 that Ada Tirinnanzi Fineschi gave as a gift to the Prato Museum. And so the elegance in the 19th century, from the clothes to the accessories, and then I've just reviewed the press conference. They realize live streaming in Facebook, so there are a lot of players involved on the territory, different banks and association, but also with strong support from the institution such as the Cultural Council of Prato City, and Daniela degli Innocenti is the curator. Ada Tirinnanzi Fineschi e Gabriella Fineschi are the main protagonist of these incredible collections. Filippo Guarini, the director of the Textile Museum. This is a warning. This is a call for all these students and worldwide, because I think it's important to have a strong roots inside the costume history. And I think this is one of the most precious pieces for the 19th century, on how to reconstruct and review how was manufactured this incredible piece of fashions, and so it's really, really interesting to visit this kind of exhibition. This is a clear researcher tools for designers and fashion fans. Let's dive now. It's time to have a look to the pieces that are displayed at Museo del Tessuto. This is a drone overview from the height. You see, Museo del Tessuto has been restyled and restored in textile manufacturing quarter, and these are some pieces that they are inside the collection as well, toys, because I have, this is a very nice robe de nuit, because they wanted in the 19 emulate in one way on to recreate some flavors from Paris and from the Francois fashions. And so during your visit, you will see how they combine not only clothes, but they combine also more objects such as French magazine rather than different items. And here you see the detailed description of each dress. And inside this collection you can also find precious pieces from Gianfranco Ferrer, Rocco Barocco, and also because Prato has always been the capital, the textile capital of Italy, and I would say of the world for embroidery, and many other kind of works on the different fabrics and garments. So it's really an incredible journey inside the Italian fashion and Italian family. You can have more information if you dive, of course, inside the site that is Museo. You can find, of course, on the internet, where you can overview the spaces that are absolutely outstanding. It's an historical industrial company where they restyle and they adapt to host a kind of research, a textile research hub, and also to promote the territory and the different companies that has been the DNA and the backbones of Tuscany region. I'm really proud of the outstanding work they did on the Italian fashion histories. And this is all. You see, they search, I think, Polymoda as well, the Academy of Fashion, where I've been lecturing for a while in Florence, can widely be present there to make their students more aware of what is the Italian way. Okay, for me it has been really a pleasure to introduce you this exhibition. I remind you till the 29th of May 2022, The Elegance in the 19th Century. Stay tuned, Simona Cochi, The Italian Way.